Ralph here again. Right, I've got a bonus video for you. I got a, well, the eBay auction I got, and there was loads of stuff in it. There was the two PlayStation 1s, the PS2, the games and other bits and bats. But there's this thing, it does say it is a Competition Pro, if you can read that there, if you can, without the rolling. It does literally say Competition Pro, but I haven't got a I'll assume a PS3 with the no wiring. It must be a, that must be a PS3 with the left 1, left 2, R2s. I haven't had a PS3 for a while, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a dismantling video. No, not really one of them. Oh, that would be silly. Use that as a second resort. But I'm going to dismantle this. I don't know exactly what this is, but it's made in China, serial number 073516. It looks like a Bluetooth extra controller for the PS3. I don't think it's PS4, but I cannot get this back off. So, there you go. 3 AAAs. I know the, because I had a PS3 quite a while ago. It had the, oh, I have a screwdriver missing. Oh, okay, I bet it's the one I need. No, that's fine, that opens. I had a PS3 a few years ago, sold it because I'd got, I think I'd money problems or run out of, and I did use it a little bit, but I was unemployed at the time. Oh, God, I hate the, and again, no, I just picked it up. Yeah, I wasn't using it, was sat there under the tail there, just being switched on, that red light just laughing at me. Right. Are you an idiot? Oh, forget it. Forget it. But yeah, it was just sat under the TV doing nothing, so I sold it. Maybe get another one. I actually took that PS3 to pieces because the Blu-ray lens broke, and I actually replaced it, and surprisingly, it worked. So, one pre-Retrotech Ralph project that actually worked. I'm quite proud of that. 6 screws, I have 5, and the end one's there. So yeah, this is a Competition Pro something joypad. I don't need it, and I know I'm going to regret doing this because I always do this. I feel there's a hole there. Yeah, those cheeky flippers. That's Competition Pro. I will do an X-rated version of this. Oh, come out. This will not be surviving this, by the way, if you're interested. I want to give a shout out to a fellow YouTuber. She's Octavius Kitten. This Thursday, at the moment it's Monday the 14th, there's Thursday the 8th. The 17th of May. She's doing a charity live stream. Please watch. I'll post this as soon as I can, and please watch, please donate. I'm sure she's going to be funny. Octavius Kitten, she's absolutely brilliant to watch her. Another one of these people that I actually would love to meet, which I might do eventually. You never know how these things turn out. But yeah, she inspires me in some ways to yeah. Drunk Game Reviews is absolutely brilliant, and I know she's. I get the with Sarah, no mention anything, but absolutely think she's amazing at what she does and how she does it. And I've already messaged her before about my own problems, and she's a brilliant, absolutely amazing YouTuber, and the graphics on the videos are yeah, I just don't know how she does it. It's all old blocky pixely characters, and they come onto the videos, and it's like having a little character jumping up and down and watching what I'm doing. I'd love to do something like that. I have not got a clue how to do it, but she's so talented. Yeah, big up to Octavius Kitten, and there's a 1 in that as well, to Sarah. So, take this into part. I've got a lot of strands in here for glue strands, or have I got a killer spider in here? So, dismantling of the Competition Pro Bluetooth, I'll assume, joypad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've been watching 6 off. They connected that. Okay, so I can get out of there. That's out of the way and in the corner of the screen. Took 2 screws out of here to get this section here with the 2 thumb pads. I'm going to strip this for parts. I've never had any of these. I mean, that is obviously a button. It clicks that side. So if you click on the, as you're holding it, because it's in there. Okay, in there, that around. If you click it to the left, that one on the right, it's your center button. But it's if you don't go to where the button is, it doesn't click for you. But I like them. I wonder if I can use them on a. Oh, my mind is going silly now. I wanted to do a. If the Admin 3000 didn't, the Grandstand 3000 didn't work, I'm going to use the console itself as a retro pad. To play, add Raspberry Pi to it. Dubious Engineering gave me the idea because he's put a big clump of wood, amazing wood. But it was amazing to actually use the way it cut. The smells from when you're cutting wood is amazing. But I bet that was absolutely brilliant to do. But he used bullets for his controllers. I bet I could use them for it. To be honest, that one seems a bit iffy, going that direction. That to the right is fine, up is fine, down is fine. It just feels a bit resistant there. Whereas that one is absolutely perfect. It will go around, but it feels like there's a smooth, there's something resisting there. But I could get that fixed. But 2 of those, I mean, they were earths. There's a lot of the earths for that, for the shielding. Yeah, I bet I could. I bet I could. So, oh, okay. There are twin motors for this. I wonder if this would be a better project if I didn't completely destroy it. And we have a screw, another screw, another screw underneath here. How to destroy that? Another screw. Oh, goody. But again, you know what? You've got behind there the light. You got these 4 pins It's a shame that I didn't actually power this up to start with. I'll just try and fix loving smooth. Click. I can feel it. I doubt you can hear it. Yeah. But that could be such a good parts for a yeah, retro game console. Yeah, anyway, for the people who are watching this for a Bluetooth PS3 controller dismantling, there we go. There's no internal batteries on this because it's there, which we could easily change for a power pack with 4.5 volts. 1, 2, 3. But I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna put that in my parts bin for other things. I mean, I wonder if you could get a RetroPie and get it to, once you get hit, zoom, zoom, it comes round, making the actual RetroPie itself. You know, doing my own channel, everything is pointing towards doing a RetroPie handheld, but I do want a proper arcade machine. I've looked into actually buying one and doing it, and it's easier for me because I've got all the donations, and some work, some don't. I've got at the moment of filming, I've got the IBM motherboard with a chip which would work fine. I don't really need much of a graphics card for a retro arcade machine, but at the second I have got so much stuff that I could easily make a full tower unit. I've even got a spare monitor, or even worst case strip the gubbins out of this and just use that. But I could do that. Okay, future project, future promise. I'm going to attempt. Promises always come with a but. I'm going to try, I think, and do a retro gaming console. Whether or not it's handheld or not is entirely up to me. But yeah. Well, alright, to not go off topic, that's the end of this video. Please like, subscribe. Never get that right way around lately, do I? Like, subscribe. Hello to all my new subscribers. If you managed to stick it to the end of this video, hello. Hi. If you want a bonus for being subscribed, then here's a hammer. Hooray! Then, yeah, like and subscribe. And I hope I'm doing something entertaining for you. If not, then please suggest, comment. Please, comment and tell me what I'm doing wrong. If I'm not, if you're just casual plodding around, please subscribe. It means a lot to me to know I've got plenty of people who are sat occasionally watching, which is fine. Liking, please like. I'm getting desperate for this. Please like and subscribe. If not, then it doesn't mean that you're watching anything to the end. But if it does, then hey ho, I'll just keep doing them anyway. But this Thursday, watch Octavius Kitten's YouTube, Twitch. I don't know sure what she's doing, but please check out her channel. She's doing a charity live stream. I think she's doing it at 9 o'clock, which doesn't really help because my schedule for where I actually work doesn't really help. But I'll try and stay awake and try and be on and help out and watch if I can. If she's doing a subscriber. Well, she's doing a live chat, then fine. But she is doing. She's trying to be daft, which I don't think she needs to because she is daft and she's amazing. But please watch Octavius Kitten's channel this Thursday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.